Window installation in Rockford, Illinois is a crucial service for both residential and commercial properties. Our expert window contractors in Rockford provide top-notch window installation services, ensuring that your Windows Rockford is installed with precision and care. Whether you need custom windows, vinyl windows, or energy-efficient windows, our Rockford window installation services have you covered. Energy-efficient windows in Rockford IL are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Our energy-efficient window solutions in Rockford help homeowners save on utility bills while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of their homes. With a variety of options, including double-hung windows and casement windows, Rockford residents can enjoy both style and efficiency. Custom window solutions in Rockford offer homeowners the flexibility to design windows that perfectly match their home's architecture. From bay windows to picture windows, our custom window services in Rockford ensure that every detail is tailored to your preferences. Our Rockford window contractors are skilled in creating unique window designs that enhance curb appeal. Vinyl window replacement in Rockford is a popular choice for those seeking durability and low maintenance. Our vinyl windows Rockford are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions while providing excellent insulation. With Rockford's vinyl window replacement services, you can enjoy long-lasting windows that require minimal upkeep. Double-hung windows in Rockford, Illinois offer a classic look with modern functionality. These windows are easy to clean and provide excellent ventilation, making them a favorite among Rockford homeowners. Our double-hung window services in Rockford ensure a perfect fit and seamless operation. Rockford storm window services are essential for protecting your home from severe weather. Our storm windows in Rockford are designed to withstand high winds and heavy rain, providing an extra layer of security. Trust our Rockford window contractors to install storm windows that keep your home safe and sound. Window replacement in Rockford IL is a vital service for maintaining the integrity of your windows. Our window replacement experts in Rockford can handle everything from minor fixes to major overhauls. Whether it's window glass replacement or window hardware replacement, our Rockford window replacement services ensure your Windows Rockford are in top condition. Residential window contractors in Rockford specialize in providing tailored solutions for homeowners. From window maintenance to window insulation, our Rockford residential window services cover all aspects of window care. Trust our experienced contractors to enhance your home's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Commercial window services in Rockford cater to businesses looking to improve their building's appearance and functionality. Our Rockford commercial window contractors offer a range of services, including window tinting and window cleaning. Enhance your business's image with our professional window solutions in Rockford. Rockford window tinting experts provide solutions that enhance privacy and reduce glare. Our window tinting services in Rockford are perfect for both residential and commercial properties. Enjoy the benefits of reduced UV exposure and increased energy efficiency with our Rockford window tinting solutions.